Good morning, my friends. Today we are with my friend Sergey here. It's my new client. It's been 4 days I'm here.
Yeah, I think so.
4 days, and tell us about your journey with me.
That was an amazing experience. Now my house is very clean. It was a mess here, but now it's lovely, kindly place. Yeah, it's all by Nicholas. Yes.
So what do we have today to do?
Today we have about 7 doors.
7 doors. Yes.
7 doors.
Yeah.
They was never clean, but now they're shiny.
Good.
Yeah. Then we cleaned this bed.
What it was there before? You can tell us what dirt it was.
Don't know. I think it was shit.
Okay, now it's better.
Yeah. Now it's perfect.
Okay, good.
Yes.
And-
The walls. There was dirt on the walls.
Mm-hmm.
And these doors.
This has never been cleaned.
Yeah, this was completely dirt.
Now it's like a mirror.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for much. Bye.